So one of the most common things that I get during consultations is, I want to adjust my status. Can I just enter the US and apply for a work permit, or can I just enter the US and apply for a green card? And what I always advise, I try to break it down very simple, that when you're thinking about immigrating to the US, especially if you're already here, I always break it down and say there are three parts that you have to think about, right? The first part is, are you eligible for a family-based petition? Typically, it is from an immediate relative, and no, your sister or your brother is not an immediate relative. Typically, it is a U.S. citizen spouse, a U.S. citizen child that is 21 years or older, and in some circumstances, a U.S. citizen parent. So that's the first part for family-based petitions. If the client is not eligible for a family-based petition, then we move on to employment-based. But with employment-based, you have to have an employer that will petition for you, or you have to have exhibited some type of extraordinary ability, but you have to have a petition. Unless you're doing a self-petition, EB2 NIW. And the third part is investment. And I usually talk about the E2 investment visa, or I talk about the EB5 investment visa. So those are the three generally major parts for getting a green card or work permit.